Hello there. Some of the items I have written on my what I call my bucket list, things I want to do with my art before I die, was to find some of the most unusual objects that I can to pore over. And a couple of weeks ago I came across something that I thought would be interesting to pore over. It's a toner cartridge for a photocopier with grooves through it, and this one of course was in the blue colour. And they go to the recycling centre, so I'm going to wash it off completely when I've finished with it so it can be recycled again. But it's got these grooves in it which I really like, and I thought I might try putting that down onto my canvas to pour over. And I'm going to do a blow dryer pour on it to see what I can make. And I've already put titanium white paint down as my base, and in my cup I have got Prussian blue, ultramarine blue and silver, and I'm going to run them into the groove across there and let those colours run down onto the canvas, and then I'm going to put the blow dryer over it. So I'll start that now. To say, I actually like the coating of paint on the cartridge itself. That's made quite a nice little interesting pattern, but I'm going to lift that now, and I don't want to waste too much paint, so I'm going to angle it as I lift it and see if I can just get some of that paint to come off as I go. It'll probably be dripping down there underneath. And onto the canvas. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's really pretty. I've got myself a multi-butterfly type pattern. Yeah, that's really, really pretty. So now I'm going to get my dryer, my hair dryer. Now I think I will do this as a Dutch pour. So before I get my dryer, I will just put extra white paint across the edges so that I can blow that over the colour for the Dutch pour. I haven't done one for a while, so I'm really looking forward to doing this again. It always looks so pretty. There's not terribly much you can do wrong with a Dutch pour. That's why I like doing them so much. Okay, so I've got my dryer ready, and I will now attempt to do a reasonably successful Dutch pour. That's it. Oh gosh, that's so pretty. I'm really happy with that. I've just got this corner to do, and rather than doing it with the blow dryer, I'll do it with my mini leaf blower. Just take it out to this corner. And that's it. Oh, that is beautiful. I'm always happy when I get a picture like this that comes out how I want it to look. And I wanted some negative space. I've just noticed I was going to take a little over that edge as well, just a little. So I will complete that, as I don't like that sort of straightish look there. So I'm just going to see if I can ease a little of that blue paint that way. Just take it up towards the edge and over. There we go. And now just give it a wee bit of a torch. I didn't put any silicone in these paints, so I will get some little dots from bubbles, but otherwise it'll be mostly just the colour, which is what I like so much when I do these. I will do another Dutch pour sometime soon with silicone again, of course, because it's always good for me to experiment with all the different types of pours. But that is gorgeous. I'm really happy with that, and now I'm going to bring it up and give you a close-up look of it. Look at it, I'm sorry, in the light. Just beautiful. I'm really happy with those colours together. The blues and with silver always work out well for me, particularly on a white background, and the silver always looks so pretty when it dries. So there we are. You can see all of that and how pretty that looks, particularly in the light. And I will let that dry so I can keep it. Just lovely. Well, that's it for me. Once again, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.